Alright, so we're on to the stropping video. Gonna do things like I usually do. See me use kangaroo in other videos, but I usually use a Illinois straw fold barber type with a canvas backing on it. I did a cool little surface mount to the countertop with some paracord and a space age material called tape. And we're gonna get to the stropping right now. Can I get everything? Yeah, that gets everything. Okay, so we need a few more straps on that side. A little bit of burr remnants left. I'm doing very light strokes on here too, barely touching the leather. You don't want to push down and let it sag down like that, because then you'll round the edge, especially on a strap like this, because there's no supporting back to it. I like barber straps because they seem to work the best. By that I mean they work faster, they put on a better edge, and tend to just do a better overall job of cutting the burr off the edge and your remaining remnants of a burr, getting you to a nice point of sharpness. As you can see, this is just effortlessly flowing right through the paper. There you have it, sharpening a large knife, in this case the Becker BK9 by K-Bar.